How's it going, everyone? So in this video I'm going to be working on the right-hand drive 240 and getting ready to pull the engine out of the car. Pretty much I have to do everything that involves taking the engine out, unhooking the wire harness, the intercooler piping, fuel lines, and pretty much everything that's connected to the engine. And I'm going to start doing that now. Let me show you guys the car right now before I start doing anything. So it's just a red top S13 sr20, and it has pretty much everything hooked up on it, and we have to take it all out. So I'm gonna start working on that, and I'll show you guys in a little once I have it all unhooked and pretty much ready to pull out of the car. Have you guys seen my videos before? This is my right-hand drive 240. The SR that's in it right now has rod knock, and it kind of locked up. I was driving it home once I heard it start knocking. I should have towed it, but I didn't really have any options. I didn't want to pay for a tow truck, so I just said screw it. I mean, the motor needed to be rebuilt anyway, so I just sent it, and it ended up locking up like literally across the street from my shop. So I just pushed it across into the parking lot and it was here. So that was really lucky, and I didn't have to pay for a tow truck. If it would have broke and I would have had to pay for a tow truck, that would have sucked even worse. But luckily it worked out. So let me start getting it all taken apart, and I'll show you guys here in a little bit once it's ready. So I got everything pretty much ready to come out. Well, me and my friends got it all out, ready to come out pretty much. My friend AJ came over here to help me out. And what's your name again? CJ. CJ's AJ's friend. He just came over here to help us out also. And we're ready to pull the motor out. We pretty much did everything that I said. Got the intercooler, exhaust, radiator, wiring, everything undone from the motor, and we're getting ready to lift it out of the car right now. So let's lift it out and we'll show you guys once it's out. Is it gonna hit right there?
No, it's clear. You got about 3 inches.
Can't back up.
You should drop it down a tiny bit.
All right, so here she is. We got the motor out of it. It took a little bit, but we got it out. Tranny's right there, and we just brought it over to my shop, getting ready to take the motor and put it on an engine stand so we could take it and open it up and see what's going on with it. So let me just show you. We are taking the flywheel off right now, and then just gonna mount it up to the engine stand and get it ready to take it all apart. So let me get it on the engine stand and we'll show you guys that once it's all ready to be taken apart. All right, so we got it over here on the engine stand, ready to go. Next step is just pretty much take it all apart and find out why it broke. If you watched my videos before, this engine had low compression, and then it ended up getting rod knock, and it just kind of locked up. So we're gonna see what's going on with it and try to fix this motor. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next couple of videos. I'm gonna take this motor apart and we're gonna rebuild it and see if we can get it back running. So thank you for watching. Thank you to my friend AJ for helping me take the motor out. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe and just give it a thumbs up if you could. Thank you.